Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to edit your Facebook avatar. So let's start the video. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner for iOS or top right for Android. Scroll down and tap on Avatars. If you don't see it, check under See More. Now tap the Edit Avatar button. Here you can change your avatar's hairstyle, skin tone, clothes, and more. Just tap through the options to customize it how you like. When you are done, click on Save in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it, your avatar is now updated and ready to use across Facebook. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips from Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.